Hi guys, for this video, pag-uusapan natin ay how I see myself as a CS professional. Honestly, when I think about myself as a future computer science professional, I see someone who's still growing and always learning. Kasi in this field, technology is always changing. Kung ano yung relevant ngayon, pwedeng maging outdated na siya bukas. So, I imagine myself as someone who's willing to adapt, willing to keep up, and never stop learning. And I don't just want to be a good at coding or solving problems on my own. I also see myself as a part of team, someone who can share ideas, listen to others, and collaborate to build someone bigger. Kasi let's be real, hindi lang solo flight ang it's also about working with people. Of course, I know there will be struggles like debugging for hours, facing tight deadlines, or even doubting myself. Pero I think those challenges will actually shape me into a stronger professional. So, in the future, I see myself as a CS professional na hindi lang may technical skills but also has the discipline, adaptability, and passion to use technology to make a real difference. So, yun.